Hello. So the back to school edition, let's check out few pouches collection. So this is a cute Cinderella pouch. It has a detachable coin pouch. Then other compartments, one bigger compartments for the pencils and everything. Then we have a small compartment for erasers or just random stationaries. Idinte two different colors available aanu. One lavender princess inde pinna oru pink edition. So three colors lana ee pouches available aayittu varunathu. We have a cute panda pouch in a fan bolte konda. That again two compartments aanu, one bigger compartment and a smaller compartment. Two compartments aanu and comes in two colors, lavender and peach. Okay, this is one of the best sellers, unicorn pouches. This again comes in two compartments. Idinte oru 3D outer image aanu. Two compartments lana varunathu, bigger compartment and a smaller compartment. Comes in three different variants, blue, pink and lavender. 3 shades